Okay. You gonna do it again? Show me how you do. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at him go! Wow! That's crazy. How'd you learn how to do that? Show me again.
I just did it.
See if you can go higher.
Okay. That's gonna make it move.
Okay. Whoa! No! Hold on! Try it again. Whoa! That's really good. What are the girls doing?
They're climbing up their tree, okay?
Oh, I see that.
The hot lava.
Oh, don't fall in the hot lava.
You know what? Let's just go in the hot lava.
Oh, watch out for that hot lava.
Woohoo! Daddy, this is fun. You should try it.
I should try it. You're right. Yeah.
Daddy, did you know how to learn? Daddy, there's another way.
Let's see. Whoa! Careful.
That's another way that we can be even more good. I'm going to go for the hot lava.
Whoa, careful. Wow.
Daddy, you know I love you?
I do. I love when you tell me that.
Daddy, do you practice? No, do you practice?
What?
You know who practiced for us?
Who did?
Ernie.
Ernie?
Yeah.
Yeah. That seat. That's right.
He's part of our family, Daddy.
Who is Ernie?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ernie's part of our family.
And Mimi and Poppy.
And Mimi and...
Grandpa and Study and Papa and Grandpa.
Yeah.